Hello, this is Ariane. I'll be running the workshop Challenges Faced by Women Entrepreneurs and How to Solve Them. We will be focusing more particularly on the power of networking, online and offline. We will also share with you productivity tips that you can put straight away into application after the workshop. Lastly, but not least, how to be business ready. What does it mean and how to be business ready? This workshop is a very interactive and fun workshop. We will ask you to get involved by some individual thinking work and some group work as well. So get ready for the workshop. Have a think. What would you like to take out of the workshop? What is your intent? We will ask you to come on time as we will start sharp on time. We will have time a little bit afterwards if you wish to ask us more questions or if you simply wish to have a chat with the other participants. So come along, be ready, have a pen, some paper with you. We will share a handout for you to make some notes, but if you wish to bring a notebook along and some business cards, please do. See you soon at the workshop.